Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 10, Subject Higher Mathematics. Chapter name Solid Geometry. Exercise 13, Lecture 1. Today's lesson: Basic concepts of solid geometry and some elementary definition and relations. Basic concepts. Basic concepts of points, lines and planes have been discussed in secondary general geometry. In solid geometry, point, lines and planes are considered as basic concepts. One number is of length, breadth and height of a body is called a dimension of the body. 2 number, a point has no length, breadth or thickness. It is an assumption. For practical purpose, we use a dot like this to indicate a point. It can be called a replica of position. Hence, a point has no dimension, so it is also zero-dimensional. 3. A line has length only but no breadth and height. Hence, a line is one-dimensional. For example, in the figure below, AB is a line. Here, AB is a line. Clear? And 4. A surface has length and breadth but no height. Hence, a surface is two-dimensional. For example, in the figure below, A, B, C, F is a surface. Similarly, we can say A, F, E, D or A, B, C, D or D, E, H, C all are surface. Okay. 5 number, a body having length, breadth and thickness is called a solid. Hence, a solid is three-dimensional. For example, in the figure below, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a body. This is a body, and here length, breadth and height all are present. Clear? Some elementary definition. Follow the figure. This is a body. Yes, it has length, breadth and height. Clear? Plane surface. If the straight line joining any two points on a surface lies totally on the surface, then the surface is called a plane surface or simply a plane. The upper surface of the still water of a pond is a plane. The smooth floor over whom polished with cement or mosaic is considered to be a plane, but geometrically it is not a plane, for there are high and low points on the floor. In the above picture, A, B, C, D, that's mean A, B, C, D, then A, D, E, F and A, B, C, F all are planes. Clear? Curved surface. If the straight line joining any two points on a surface does not lie wholly in the surface, then the surface is called a curved surface. The surface of a sphere is a curved surface. That's why this is a curved surface, because on this surface if you will add any 2 points, that is not fully lie on the surface. Clear? Follow the figure. This is a body. In number solid geometry, the branch of mathematics which concerns with the properties of solids and surfaces, lines and points, is called solid geometry. Sometimes it is called geometry of space or geometry of 3 dimensions. Clear? And for number coplanar straight lines. Coplanar mean if 2 or more straight lines lie in the same plane, or a plane can be made to pass through them, then these straight lines are said to be coplanar. In the figure above, AB and CD are coplanar straight line, but EF is not coplanar with them. Clear? Because this and this are 2 sides of a same plane ABCD. Okay, and EF is perpendicular to the plane CDEF, so this is not coplanar or with AB or CD. Clear? Follow the figure again. Skew or non-coplanar lines. Straight lines which don't lie in one plane or through which a plane cannot be made to pass are called skew or non-coplanar straight line. In the figure above, AB and EF are skew lines. If 2 pencils are tied crosswise like as a plus sign or a multiplication sign, 2 non-coplanar lines are formed. 6 number, parallel straight lines. 2 coplanar straight lines are said to be parallel when they don't intersect each other, that is, they have no common point. In the figure above, AB and CD are parallel straight lines. Clear? 7. Parallel planes or surfaces. 2 planes are said to be parallel when they do not intersect, that is, they don't have any common point. In the figure above, ABCD, that's mean ABCD and EFCAs are parallel planes. Again, follow this. ABCD and EFGAs are parallel planes. Similarly, we can say AFED and CACB are parallel planes, or we can say ACDE and ABCF are parallel planes. Clear? Follow the figure again. 8 number, line parallel to a plane. If a plane and a straight line are such that they don't intersect through they are extended indefinitely, then the straight line is said to be parallel to the plane. In the figure above, CD is parallel to ABCF. That means CD means this. This is parallel to ABCF. Okay, or we can say D is parallel to ABCF, or we can say HE is a line parallel to a plane ABCF, or you can say CH is parallel to the plane A, B, C, F. Clear? Normal or perpendicular to a plane. Follow the figure. A straight line is said to be normal or perpendicular to a plane when it is perpendicular to every straight line in the plane meets it. In the figure below only, that's mean this figure, OP is normal to the plane. Here OP is normal to the plane because this is the perpendicular to the plane. As it is normal to all of AB, CD, EF residing on the plane. That's mean OP is perpendicular on the line AB or CD or EF. Okay, so OP is a normal or we can also say this is a perpendicular. The number oblique line. A straight line is said to be oblique line to a plane if it is neither parallel nor perpendicular to the plane. In the figure above one, right, that's mean this MN, ST are oblique line. Okay. Assessment. Number, define vertical line of a plane. 2 number, define horizontal line or plane. Define planar and skew quadrilateral. 4 number, what is the angle between two skew straight lines? Number, trihedral angle. Follow the figure. If planes intersect in a straight line, then the angle between the two straight lines drawn from any point on the line of intersection and at right angles to the intersection line is called a trihedral angle. That's mean here is given a figure. Okay, there are two plane. One is A, B, C, and another one is A, C, D. Clear? And here given two line. One is OM. OM is a line on this plane, and another line ON. ON is a line on this plane. Clear? But this line and this line both are perpendicular to AC because this angle and this angle 90 degree. So the angle MON, that's mean this angle is a dihedral angle. That's mean this angle makes by two plane. Clear? Group work. Define projection with figures. And homework. Write the relation between two straight lines. B number, write the relation between a straight line and a plane. C number, write the relation between two planes. Today up to this. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.